Alrighty guys, so it's currently 58 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna do a little bit of a semi-cold start on the Mini with the Flowmaster 10 muffler. See how she sounds. That's the Instagram page I run for the car if you're interested in following. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, my dash cam fell off the dash. Whoops, off the windshield. Whoops. Right. We have 118,040 miles on it. So 8,000 miles on the rebuilt top end that I did. We're in neutral. Let's give her a go. Yes, I did the forge blow-off valve upgrade. It was actually a Christmas present from my family. Oh man, this thing sounds so good. Click like or comment if you guys want to see some blow-off valve action. I'll get a buddy of mine to film me driving it with the blow-off valve. Anyway, that's gonna do it for now. I still need to fix that fog light. All right, thanks for watching. Y'all take care.